Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a price action strategy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and without any delay, let's get started. Most importantly, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our daily updates.
Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD. As you can see, I've already drawn some resistance and support trend line. So the trend is on uptrend. This is where I feel there should be a good support from the market. So that's the reason I marked this as the resistance level. So let's just wait. As you can see, as soon as the market hit this level, started falling down. So this is the retracement. So let's just wait for some time till we get the right opportunity, and then we'll take a trade. Then I'll explain you the trading setup. Guys, after a long wait, I have taken an uptrade here, and the reason I did that is because, as you can see, the earlier trend line that I drew was incorrect. So this is our uptrend. As you can see, low, high, higher low, higher high, and another higher low. So let's just wait for the trade to end, and I'll explain you the setup once again. Guys, unfortunately we lost this trade, and let me explain you the setup once again. We were supposed to be taking a trade here, entry here, so this was a strong bullish reversal signal, but unfortunately I wanted to wait till here for the market to give us a sure confirmation. However, after the breakout of this candle, I was waiting for an entry around this place, but unfortunately, even if you would have taken an entry here, we would have lost over here. So it is fine, and I guess I need to work with my entry over here. Since this would have been an entry, we would have won with a good difference. So that is it for the trading session, guys. As you can see, this was a good resistance level. The market worked well, but unfortunately the market could not move beyond this price and found resistance over here and started falling back down in the downward direction. So that is it for the today's session, guys. For the 5-minute session, I'll be taking another 2 1-minute trades. So hopefully they turn out well for us. So that is it, guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day. I'm quite disappointed with myself. I need to have a deeper look into my analysis and identify what is that I am doing wrong, so that we can correct and move further with a progressive strategy. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.